Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got one from Nissin, Germany. This is a Veggie Miso cup noodle. Oh, how are you? I am well, thank you for the asks. If you did. I know this one needs to go slightly lower. Let's get you in there, sucker. For you to get lower. You got room for a little more. I don't want it to get too much liquidy. Here we go. All right, perfect. So just a little bit more right up to there. Perfect. Gazoon tight, gazoon tight, gazoon tight, gazoon tight, gazoon tight. You are very welcome, sir and ma'am. Mum, sir. Oh, snap. So yeah, this is the 4th cup noodle I've made in a row. Think of that. It really went quick too. It's 9:30 and I think I started off like at around 10 minutes per 3-minute cup. That's not bad. Of course I'm garnishing and taking photos and boiling water and doing all the things that one must do when they're the ramen raider. I've been just wanting to do pack versions lately because I've got the RPFD now. That's the Ramen Packaging Flattening Device. And it's just a shower handle and a big thick piece of heavy plexiglass. And I use it on my scanner to like flatten noodle packages. It works really well. Less fuss. But yeah, miso. Finishing up with the miso. Hopefully it goes well, and hopefully it's good. There was also a chicken teriyaki that they sent that I'll be doing. But 2 ago, I did the Ramen Masters Hakata Tonkatsu, and that stuff was excellent. I mean, really, it was quite good. So if you're in Germany and you can pick some up, get some Nissin Germany, the Ramen Masters Hakata Tonkatsu today. If you're in Germany. I don't know where else you can get it. You might be able to get it all over Europe. Maybe if you're in the Netherlands, maybe if you're in Oslo, Norway, maybe if you're in Marrakesh, probably not. Maybe if you're in Detroit, no, I don't know. I think I'm the only person they export to in the United States. I could be wrong. There could be some little German shop that has German instant noodles. But it's been great. It's like Nissin Germany over the years has always sent me stuff. I've got a contact there. I hit her up every once in a while. I was like, so you guys got anything new? She's like, yeah, we're doing this right now, but in a month or two, and I'll send you some. Great. And then a month or two, boom, she sends me a message. Oh, hey, I'm sending you this stuff today. I'm like, thank you. I'm pretty sure what'll eventually happen is they'll get a big PR firm to be the front end, the firewall between talking to anybody internal, and that'll go away. I hope not. That really, for what I do, has destroyed so many great relationships that I had with noodle companies, because it's like you can't talk to these people. They've got this company that does their PR that sits in front of any communication internal. And it's just like they don't really, I mean, these PR companies handle tons of accounts. They don't know anything about Noodles. They have scripts. It's sad. Miso from Japan, or Germany. Let's try it. It's pretty good. The noodle is their basic cup noodle. And it's different than what you will find in Japan. The Japanese one is flat, whereas this is just like a round instant noodle. Is it? Certainly. Yeah, it is flat. I don't know. I like this noodle a bit better. The broth has a thickness to it. That's good. Okay. Let's plate it. Yeah, I like that. It's nice. It's nice. Nice it is. This has been a fun thing. I've never done this before. Like decided, well, I'm gonna do 4 noodle cups today. You know what? And I'm not even gonna use this bowl. I'm gonna use a different bowl. Use that bowl. It'll burn my hands, but I like this bowl. It's just a delicate white bowl with a thin edge. I have a feeling it's going to look nice. I think it will. How this goes. Oh. All right, we're gonna add, let's try this out. Some flour foo. Got some chashu going on. I'm really happy with like this little mini chashu. It's like perfect. Look at that. That couldn't be any better sized, I swear. I wish I had smaller eggs, but I don't. Now it is time for the last of the 6 eggs I made this week. I think. Yep, this is it. Here we go. One. Can be tricky to get those right. Hey! Are you on YouTube, Miles? Doctor. Well, if you are, you're gonna lose your tablet. So no YouTube. We have a thing about YouTube now, folks. YouTube makes small children act poorly. Sorry, Google. I love your product, but 6 and 7-year-olds, they figured out that what you can do, because we told them no YouTube, we disabled YouTube. They figured out they can go in the Sesame Street app, go into the privacy policy, go down to COPPA, the Children's Online Privacy Protection Act little data sheet, and in the bottom of that, what do you have? You've got an icon. You click on it, it's YouTube. It's so funny. So it's like buried in the COPPA info is how my children are seeing definitely not suitable content. Isn't that jacked up? And it's on the Sesame Street website. Ingenious. They're 6 and 7 and they figure this out. They're skirting the law. She says she's not on YouTube, although she could be lying. I don't like to think that, but you know. Kids want. They want things and stuff that they want. Okie dokie, well, artichokes, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoying your noodles each and every day. This one was good, and thanks to the folks over in Nissin, Germany for shooting this over. I don't know what's going to be next. I've got a few over here, kind of running low, but I probably won't be when the next time you see the show, but I'm up to review 4,735. That's what this is. So I'm getting close to breaking the seal of the only 250 to go to 5,000 reviews. That's crazy. And it'll be there like that. But the one that I posted today was 4,000. I haven't posted yet, but I think the last one was 4,561. So yeah, I'm kind of ahead of the game. But that's okay. I like that because once they go back to school, I'm going to spend all my time walking and not doing this. So, yeah. All right. Have a good one. Bye.